Magma comes from deep within the earth, and when it reaches the surface, it is now called lava.
Open notes.
And volcanoes are dangerous when they erupt, but they can also help shape our lands and our soil and keep our soil fertile. So how are these volcanoes are formed? So the main volcanoes are mainly formed by the movement of the tectonic plates. So when two plates collides, one plate slides under the others, and this process is called subduction. And as this plate sinks, the molten rock
Tubig mo?
is
Hindi.
the molten rock and as the plate sinks, the rock melts because of heat and pressure, forming magma. And when this magma rises, when this magma rises through the cracks in the crust, it is now when it breaks the surface, it is when a volcano is formed. Then volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption is the expulsion of gases, rock fragments, and or molten lava from within the earth through a vent onto the earth's surface or into the atmosphere. So the main cause of volcanic eruption is heat and pressure. And there are two main categories of volcanic eruption: the effusive eruption and the explosive eruption. So explosive eruption, these are the violent eruptions. There are four types, which are the Strombolian, Vulcanian, Tellurian, and Pinian. So Strombolian eruptions are mild and frequent, throwing small outbursts of lava into the air. Then Vulcanian eruptions are more stronger with short and powerful explosions of lava, rocks, and gas. Then the Pelian is more dangerous because it releases fast-moving pyroclastic flows of hot gas, ash, and rocks down to the volcano's slopes. Then the last one is the Pinian eruptions. These are the most violent. Yung Pinian, violent siya because it sends huge columns of ash and gas high into the sky and spread them over large areas. Then effusive eruptions, explosive eruptions are violent eruptions pala. Ang effusive eruptions naman are gentle eruptions. They have two main types of effusive eruptions, the Icelandic and Hawaiian. So, ang Hawaiian eruption, Icelandic eruption are gentle eruptions where the lava comes from long cracks in the ground called fissures. While yung Hawaiian naman, this is also a gentle eruption, pero it comes mostly from the central belt of the volcano. Then, volcanoes can be one of the three phases: the active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcanoes. So, active volcano, these are volcanoes that have erupted in the last 10 years and are more likely to erupt again. Then, ang dormant volcanoes, these are volcanoes that have not erupted in the last 10 years pero may possibility na mag-erupt ulit. Mag-erupt pa rin siya. And ang extinct volcanoes, ito yung mga volcanoes na walang record of eruption and are unlikely to erupt again. Then let's go to the parts of the volcanoes. We have the ash clouds, lava flow, cone, crater, in the air. Then ang lava flow is the molten rock. This is the molten rock flowing through the surface. Then the conduit is the pipe through where the magma travels to the surface. Then yung crater, ito this is the bowl-shaped hole at the top. Then the pole